Hello everyone. Video. In this episode of the ReviewHunt.com, I'm going to break down the top 5 best rolling tool chest on the market. Before we get started with our video detailed, we include links to the description section. Make sure you check those out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates. Now, let's start the video. 5. Husky 12-drawer best cabinet for home mechanic. The Husky 12-drawer is to be as good as Husky other products. As we know, old has replaced its place through the new ones come. In terms of Husky, we can only say that they actually modernize their gaming sense. From the demonstration of the product Husky Drawer Heavy-Duty Tool Chest, we will know its magnificence transformation in a few years. This tool chest of Husky has a classy look as far as aesthetics are related. Along with a Husky logo, its shiny handle features actually beautify this tool chest. This feeling will definitely impress any DIY or mechanic users. Eventually, the best part of this touch of class comes at an affordable price range. With the construction of 21 gauge, this tool chest becomes a dream product of any serious user. It can support up to 1,000 pounds, so we don't have any reason to dispute this tool chest. This amazing tool chest comes with 12 drawers including 6 medium, 5 small and 1 very large one. Different sizes make this an ideal tool cabinet that can easily accommodate small to large everything. Even the drawers are held well-built ball-bearing slides that make them smooth to open and close. You must wonder, this massive 52-inch tool chest is a bit difficult to move. Well, doesn't worry about that, large swivel wheels will help this little guy to make mobile. With help of these casters, it can easily movable even it is loaded. Drawers are lockable. Ball-bearing sliding for smooth operation. Ideal for all sizes tools. 4. Husky Leather-Bound 23-Drawer Best Large Option. Our top pick is the Husky Leather-Bound 23-Drawer. Incredibly, this is a big tool chest. Especially, it's built for those shop owners who really need a reliable and secure system for a range's large assortment of tools. With 23 drawers and remarkable load capacity, this monster-sized chest is worthy in one's workshop, if you do not mind hefty value range. No need to worry about placing your tools at the top of the chest even though it does not indicate the appropriate size. All the drawers of this chest are enough deep and each of them can hold 100 pounds of weight. The best part of this, you can lock your wheels conveniently so that it does not move around while working. Also, this tool chest comes with side handles. It's allowing you to move your cabinet anywhere without putting much effort. However, the manufacturer used powder-coated steel in this chest. This material not only improves durability but also added power to the steel. This superior quality frame stays true to the test of time and doesn't rust. Even the color of this frame complements your workplace. Heavy-duty construction. Each drawer has 100 petty. Lockable wheels. 3. Keter 5-Drawer Modular Best Garage Tool Chest. The Keter 5-Drawer Modular Garage Toolbox is another wonderful addition to keep your tools secure. The box measures 23.5 H by 22.1 watts by 11.3 D inches and can accommodate a large variety of tools. It is a quality modular box for storage of tools and crafts at home or garage. It's a lockable toolbox that comes with 16 removable bins and dividers so you can arrange your tools and necessary stuff as needed. The central locking system ensures each drawer stays secure before, during, and after use, when the locking swivel casters ensures the entire unit mobile. There are also compact carry handles to make each module portable. 16 removable bins. Central locking system. Locking swivel casters. 2. Giantex 2PC Mini Best Budget. The Giantex 2PC Mini Heavy-Duty Tool Chest would be a wonderful addition like its appearance. In a closer look at the design, the attractive red finishes will create illicit attention and reveal as a strength that will impress a huge range of users. It features 3 removable drawers for the top tool chests and 1 large cabinet. For easy and smooth operation, 3 drawers come with heavy-duty ball-bearing sliders. Quality of construction of this tool chest makes it a likable product among the users. With steel made, this product will undoubtedly stand for a long time. Even it also provides safety and security of your tools. Another standout features of this organizer is the wheels. Not every tool chest comes with the feature of maneuverability. With the fixed 4 casters, moving tools around the workshop has been more convenient. People who have not owned a garage toolbox knows the struggle of keeping the rust away. The layered substance from the combination of oxygen and irons makes life hell. Actually countering these challenges is available, and for you it's very tedious job. Luckily, the powder-coated finish on this tool chest saved your entire life from this struggle. Ball bearing sliders. Suit in harsh environments. Price-worthy. 1. Best Choice Products Portable Top Chest Rolling Tool. Best overall. The Best Choice Products Portable Top Chest Rolling Tool provides large storage and organization options so you can set up your workspace how you like. This brand offers the best quality tool organizer that comes in a form of rolling cabinet. It is a robust and sturdy built product that is available in many drawers. That's way, it offers additional room for you to store your belongings. Well, the top drawer is nicely built with a locking system which you can use to keep your valuable tools. Furthermore, the bottom drawer comes in a very ample in size, which is nice to organize other documents. There are also 3 tiny drawers which can be used to store nails, screws, nuts and bolts, and etc. No wonder, 4 caster wheels also make it easy to move the cabinet around if you wanted to keep your tools closer as you work around the garage. The chest and cabinet are 2 separate pieces, so you can even have multiple storage options from one purchase. Multifunctional. Secure and safe. Solid construction. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please, make sure like, and subscribe. If you have any queries about these top 5 best rolling tool chest, you can leave comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.